Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Montreal, Quebec, Canada's vibrant and multicultural gem. This amazing city known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and lively culture. Montreal is the largest city in Quebec and the second largest in Canada. It's located on an island in the St. Lawrence River, and it's named after Mount Royal, the beautiful hill that overlooks the city. Old Montreal is the historic heart of the city. Here, you'll find cobblestone streets, charming boutiques, and stunning landmarks like the Notre-Dame Basilica, which is famous for its intricate Gothic Revival architecture and beautiful stained glass windows. Montreal is also renowned for its vibrant art scene. The Montreal Museum of Fine Arts showcases a fantastic collection of art from around the world, and the city's numerous festivals, like the Montreal International Jazz Festival, draw visitors from all over. Mount Royal Park is a perfect spot for outdoor activities. Whether you're hiking up to the summit for panoramic views, or just relaxing in the park, it's a great place to enjoy nature right in the city. Montreal is also known for its diverse neighborhoods, each with its own charm and character. From the bustling downtown area to the serene beauty of the waterfront, there's something here for everyone.